instead of little squigglies, you get a big chunk of paper. I don't know how well that's protecting anything, but hey, it's different. Hi everyone, Weightless Warrior here, aka Julie, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, Weightless stands for When You Get Old. I am 53 years old, but love and enjoy makeup, skincare, and doing unboxing videos. I am super excited because I have a brand new beauty subscription box that I'm bringing to my channel. If you have stopped by to see what's in the August 2020 BeautyFix by Dermstore, then you are in the right place, and keep on watching. Just because I don't have enough skincare and beauty products in my life, I decided to try a new box from Dermstore, which is called BeautyFix. This is a monthly subscription, which is $24.95, and I don't know for certain how many products you get, and I believe they are going to be sample size, but we shall find out. All right, this is what the box looks like. Oh, interesting. Instead of little squigglies, you get a big chunk of paper. I don't know how well that's protecting anything, but hey, it's different. All right, this box looks to be pretty full. I'm going to reach in and grab the first item. It looks huge, but weighs like nothing. This is Dr. Loretta Tightening Eye Gel. Ooh, okay. Eye gel? Fantastic. Oh, is there a card? Please be a card. I'm not seeing a card, so I will have to look up the price. Oh, and it has a fancy allure symbol. What is this? Let's take a look and figure out why the box is this big, but it weighs like nothing. Okay. Complicated. Okay, so here's the box, and here's the item. I will just toss this over here for the recycle bin. All right, Dr. Loretta Tightening Eye Gel. I love, well, I have a love-hate relationship with eye creams, eye gels. I love that they exist. I hate that I need them because I have fine lines, dark circles, the whole shebang that happens when you get old. I am super excited. Does this have, oh, and it has a pump. Let's see. Yep, it's a true gel. And let's see how well this blends in to the skin. Interesting, it has a slight scent that it almost smells like, it reminds me of Christmas, like a tree of some sort. I wonder if this has stevia in it. Not stevia. That's sugar. What do they call that? The cannabis sativa, maybe? All right, with no card, I'm going to attempt to see what the back of the product says. It says directions. Apply sparingly in patting motions, 360 degrees around the eye, avoiding lash line. Use AM and PM, and this is 20 milliliters. All right. Next item. What is this? Looks like a sample of some sort. We have Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Strengthening Treatment Oil. What kind of oil? Hair oil? Face oil? scented oil. It looks like a perfume sample, but let's see what kind of oil this is. Strengthening treatment. Oil fortifies hair with bioidentical lipids such as ceramides and essential fatty acids to help restore and replenish for a smooth, silky finish. Okay, it's hair oil. I have my COVID haircut going on. I used to have very short hair. I've never used a hair oil because I don't have long hair. And pre-COVID, I would get my hair cut every 4 to 5 weeks. I think if you have longer hair, this would be more beneficial. But all right, next item. There's a little teeny tiny thing with a tail. It's stuck to the sticker. I recognize this brand. It looks like it's the what's that called? First Aid Beauty, and this is a weightless liquid mineral sunscreen with zinc oxide, SPF 30. There's a sticker, and that packaging is full on underneath the sticker here, so I'll just rip it off and pretend that wasn't there. Okay, so let's see this SPF. Oh, interesting. I thought it would be just a white. This is like foundation color. Wait, what is this? Weightless liquid mineral sunscreen with zinc. They're not calling it like a BB creamer or something like that. Ooh, that's dark. Interesting. It kind of blends down so it looks doable. I will have to look up to find out about this. Does the front say something different? Safe for sensitive skin, dermatologist tested, and fragrance free. Huh. Alright, well this definitely is sample size. Alright, next item. What do we have here? Ooh, a hair product. This is Living Proof Perfect Hair Day Dry Shampoo. Okay, I rarely use hair products, but one of the rare few products I do use are dry shampoos. So let's see what kind of spritzer and if this has a scent. Okay, it does have a scent. What does that remind me of? It almost smells like a perfume, but not a floral, like a, I'm so bad at scents. But it smells lovely. Who does that remind me of? Like, if you went into Nordstrom's or Macy's, there's a perfume, I swear, that smells similar to this. Okay, so this is also sample. It is 92 milliliters, 1.8 ounces. All right, next item. What is this? Ooh, that is huge. Is that like a makeup bag? That is one big bag. All right. And I like how I like simple designs. It's a off-white with some tan, just lines. No crazy pattern or airplanes. All right. Next item we have, ooh, a product from TULA. This is Detox in a Jar skincare. I think I saw the word exfoliating. Let me locate my old lady glass. Exfoliating treatment mask. All right, and this is 14 grams, 0.49 ounces. Okay, I'm not into mask per se, but I will have to read to find out if it's something you put on, leave on, wash off, or what kind of actual mask it is. I'm lazy. I don't like leaving stuff on my face that you have to wash off. All right, next item. we have something from a brand I'm not familiar with. Dermelect Rapid Repair Facial Moisturizer. Alright, I love facial moisturizers. Oh, and it comes safety sealed, so I will leave it in the tube. I have so many moisturizers open right now, but I always like trying new products. Alright, next item. Alright, that was the last item. Okay, so this is my first box, $24.95. These are all sample sizes, but you get a good variety to try. Well, I'll sample. This is not a sample. This is a full size. So let's recap. We got a very large makeup bag. We got a face moisturizer. We got an exfoliating face mask. We got an interesting sunscreen that has like a tinted color to it. We got an eye gel cream, which, oh, that's my favorite so far. We got a hair oil sample and a dry shampoo. That is pretty good. I think that is well worth $24.95. What are your thoughts? Do you subscribe to BeautyFix by Dermstore? Have you thought about it but just haven't pulled the trigger yet? My first box, can't complain, not disappointed. We shall see over the next few months if I continue to like it. I will admit I do not like that it did not come with a card and that I'm going to have to look up all of these prices. But lately that seems to be the norm now for beauty subscription boxes. All right. Thank you so much for stopping by. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so that you're notified of future videos. Thanks, everyone.